I'm gonna go to Adobe Acrobat Reader, Adobe, and then I need a document, so I actually need to find a document. Green auxiliary. So I think if you look at this, so yeah, so if you look at this document, this is actually a book. It's not currently, like, it doesn't currently recognize these words, whereas if you go to a different one, like this one is already written, you know, where you can, like, you could copy and paste the words, so you could already search this one. So say if I go Command F or Control F on a Windows, I could just search engine. Gives me a sec. So then it's got 71 things in the document that say engine, so then I can just go through the document looking for all the things that say engine. This can really help, like, with studying. You know, it can be like a really useful way to find information within documents that you have, that, you know, looking for a keyword within it. Obviously most people should be aware of that. What everyone may not be aware of is being able to search documents which are scans, basically. So someone scanned this book in at some point, and at the moment that book's not searchable. So, but Adobe, the nice people they are, we can now use scan and OCR, which is optical character recognition, which basically allows the computer to be able to actually read the document and find keywords for us. So if you just click on scan and OCR, and then you can go to recognize text in this file. You can do multiple files or correct recognize text. So we're going to do, within this document, we're going to do all pages, and we're going to say, look at the so we want the most is that if you want it to reduce the quality of the output, then you can go searchable image and then do 600 dpi. But if you don't, if you want it to be exact, so better, obviously the size of the file will be larger after you do this, but it'll, in theory, it should be a better quality and thus more searchable, more accurately searchable. So I'm going to do that and press OK. Okay, so then all pages recognize that. Okay, now it's going. Okay, so now it's going to run through the whole document, and it's going to scan every single page and basically make all the text readable. It'll take a little while because it's a fairly big document, 525 pages. But basically, once this is done, this is now a scanned document that I'll be able to go and do the same thing that I did in the other one, and I'll be able to go Command F and search for keywords within it. So I'll make the document a lot easier to find the information that I need to find. So it's a very handy tool for researching and studying and whatnot. Okay, in theory that should be the whole document now done. If I go Command F and I search engine, then now if you go through the document, it's come up and it finds everything. It's all searchable. Let's search something else on the drawing. So specifically, this is actually on the drawing. It's searching, like, put the words to text. I mean, I don't know, that's impressive in my opinion. You can do that. So we go to page 1. We search for see what pump now. You know, on page 400 and something. Bam! It even found that. So we can now search for any keyword within that document and then find relevant information based on that keyword within the document we scanned. So yeah, it's a very useful thing, and I just thought I'd show you how to do it, basically, because I use it quite a lot, to be honest.